so predictable. You guys are so awful at acting. Boo! Just do something else, okay?
I will kill you with this knife.
Like you guys could ever fit in that car. What are you, some kind of clown that could fit in a car? Oh wait, yeah you are. And what's that? Your set is falling apart. Why did I pay $15 whole to come see this thing? And your smiley mailbox fell down. Who even has a smiley mailbox? Okay. Ah, there it gets. Now it's interesting. Ah, bloody murder! Boo! Boo! No putting the set back together during a show. No! And we saw one of the puppet person's face. What kind of people are you? Ain't a wrinkled old can? Honestly, when are you ever going to learn? Oh, and your acting is making me get sick. And the mailbox is falling the wrong way. And what is that? A Lego blocks or something is behind me? You could have hit me. That's it. I'm asking for a refund. Nobody wants to see you. Go away. Well, guess what? I don't. It's raining on your face, you nitwit.
Here's my mailbox.
Your mailbox fell down because you have a poor set manager. Here you go. Was that a head I just put it on? Oops. That was an accident. And these seats are hard. Boo! I demand a refund. At least sing a song. Hey, listen to the audience. At least sing a song. No! Sing a teeny bop song and then kiss. Not with a knife, you nitwits. Did he get killed? No, he did not.
So, what's your name?
Heckler.
What's your age?
12.
What's the date?
None of your business.
It's such a horrible day.
Oh, I should have said that when I said my name and age and stuff.
Tomorrow. I just want to go to bed.
Yeah, you do.
Oh no, there's a car from one side. Oh no, there's another car coming from one side. Oh no.
Oh, that's lame.